Wait, what? No, what is going on? Oh, I can't get behind this. Oh, what is going on? I think I found worse makeovers than on America's Next Top Model. Believe it or not. It's from Britain's Next Top Model. So let's see what the British are up to, shall we?
Morning, ladies. Morning. Well, today we see the beginning of your model transformation. Let me introduce you to your consultants, James and Daniel Galvin. Now, Nicole Kidman, Madonna, Kylie Minogue are just a few of their celebrity clientele.
Just a few.
So you're in very good hands. So
Are they going to look like all those
Let's
people?
make it versatile. Let's do something completely different. Let's bring it up. Jaw length.
Oh, they just get into it. Where's Tyra? Oh, wow. Okay, wait, hold on. They already finished one makeover. I didn't even blink my eyeballs. There's no chit-chatting, nothing. Just get straight to the point. No Mr. J, no Miss J. Tyra's not popping out from the crevice saying, hey guys, well, we photoshopped a wig on you guys to show you who's going to be bald. There's none of that. There's no theatrics. 5 seconds in, she got her hair cut already. We waste no time in the UK. This was Lucy before. This is Lucy after.
I love
Okay.
I love it so much.
Okay. Okay, sure. She also looked good with just her regular hair. She looks more high fashion with this. Okay. I think the bangs maybe a little bit higher up. Maybe it's kind of covering her eyes. Can she see?
I love it so much.
Okay, she's cute. I like the black.
Because I like having like long hair, but I've grown to like.
Is that her same hair? I'm so confused. Wow. Can she keep it? My God. A lot of bangs.
I definitely feel that I look like a model more now with my haircut.
We're going to crop this hair. Pretty short. We're going to go like a really sort of strong red as well.
No way! Oh my god!
Oh, she's so cute. She looks very high fashion, by the way. I love her teeth, the gap in her teeth.
Get ready for the new Carly. It's off.
Wait, what? No, what is going on? Oh goodness. Oh. Why? Why did we do this to her? She was the most editorial one looking there. Why is there a piece hanging from the front like this that's longer than the other pieces? Why this color? Why is it? Why? I'm not understanding why you did this to her. She was perfectly fine before. You could have even just did a shoulder length cut, kept your hair the same color. It would have been perfect. But for you guys to do that, that's diabolical work. No, I know. Does she like it? I don't know. With a hairstyle like this, it's very limited in what jobs you can get. Like commercial work, editorial. And she had the most fashion editorial look. She didn't really need anything. She had such strong features. She looks gorgeous. And they ruined it with this haircut and hairstyle on her. This is worse than America's Next Top Model so far. I can get behind some of the haircuts on America's Next Top Model. But this, I can't get behind this as an American.
Oh, I don't know. Do I look ugly or not?
Why is there that one piece? Even in the interview, did they forget to cut it? Were they off the clock at that point? Oh, it's tea time. We gotta go. Yeah, well, just let it grow out. This looks even worse in the interview. Oh my God. And I don't feel like she's loving this. Bangs? It's bangs. Bangs? A side bang. Okay. Okay. Whoa. What is going on?
I could like have it in my face. I could have it up around. It's just, I love the hairstyle. Love it.
Okay, she likes it. I support that.
Let's do the short, the bottom.
How short?
Short. You've got to get rid of this, you see.
So, about that big?
A bit longer.
There.
Bit longer.
I love how she's like measuring. She's like, is it going to be up to there? He's like,
You're going to get bangs like the rest of them, ma'am.
she's getting the measurements on how much hair she will have left.
Longer.
There.
Bit longer.
The thing is, Sheree, so if you were to turn up on a shoot with this hair, I mean, the hair just would be like, we can't do anything with this.
Got no hair.
So then you cut it shorter?
I think you just need to get used to it, really.
So wait, she said if you show up to a photo shoot with her longer hair, they're not going to be able to do anything. So their response to that is to cut it short so that they can further not do anything with it. What's the thought process behind that? Her hair was longer. I mean, was it unequal lengths? Maybe that's why?
Got no hair.
I think you just need to get used to it, really.
What have I done?
Oh my God.
Hasn't been coloured yet, it hasn't been styled yet. You're right in the middle of the cut. Right in the middle. Your hair was doing nothing for you. It was like a mop. You are going to look beautiful, okay? Have faith.
Okay, I love the words of encouragement. Okay, but I have to say, I think she looked better before. I mean, I do like the short hair on her though. It looks cute. It looks cute, but I also think this is for modeling. This would be more versatile. It's very cute. Like that length actually looks really nice on her. I feel like again, if she's gonna be an agency model, they would prefer something like this more because then they can do more things with it for photo shoots, commercial stuff, fashion, all of that.
Absolutely love after all that. All that for nothing.
Oh wait, and then in the interview, I'm sorry. In the interview, it does not look like that. Did you guys see that? Hold on.
Love after all that. All that for nothing.
She says all that for nothing. And then look how it looks in the interview. See, because we have to remember, they get their hair professionally styled at the salon for the before and after, like for the after photos at least. They have to style this on their own after they leave the salon. And that's usually how it's going to look like. It does not look like it did in the picture in this interview. It's that side bang. Everyone's going to have a bang for this one. It's the bangs. Okay, that's a really nice color on her.
I love my hair. My confidence was sky high today.
See, and her hair looks good in the interview too. Her hair looks really nice in the interview. It's still consistent. Versus we saw some. It was looking a little alarming. It was looking a little questionable after the interview. Louise, what a cute name.
Hi Doria. I love my hair. My confidence was sky high today. It's a good day.
Oh no. No.
Tears of happiness now. Thank goodness. You're making me cry. I did not
She's
look this good.
okay. Wait, so she likes it? Hold on. Isn't she the one that they were like, oh, you can't do anything with this at the photo shoots? It looked like she had a lot of hair to work with. You could have done a lot with this, and then you did that. You did this. What is this hairstyle where they just keep it? I don't know about this. I don't think this looks better than what she had before. I don't. Tell me why. She made it seem like her before hairstyle was unworkable. We have to do this hair. We have to chop it. When I just saw a little pony, they could have just maybe blow dried it nicer. No, they have to chop her hair off. And is this even styled? What is going on here? They're just like, okay, it's 8 p.m. I gotta go. It's the UK. We have healthcare here, so I have to go use my healthcare. See, look, and this is how it looks like in the interview after the fact. It doesn't look good to me.
I will sleep in your bed.
I think on these shows, they always want to do the most to prove that they did a makeover. Like, oh, we did a change. She looks different. But is it better? Most of the time, no, it's not. Most of the time, you're better off just doing nothing. Because a lot of these models don't need a lot. They need just minimal changes. Maybe just even a blow dry. Just blow dry their hair. For God's sake, please. They don't need their hair chopped off, and they don't need bangs. They just need some styling and maybe some, if you want, layers, maybe a face frame at the most. But a lot of the time, it's just unnecessary changes for these. But I will say the one, I think her name is Louise. Hers looked really cute. I liked hers, and the color looks perfect. This one was unnecessary. How's she gonna part her hair in the middle? Isn't that gonna be uneven? Okay, the most diabolical one I want to say is this one. This, can I add like a honorary mention? Hold on, I think it's this one. The honorary mention for most diabolical is probably that one. Well, now we know what the British are up to. All right, see you guys.